Welcome back to a very special episode of the Boostly podcast, and we are going to delve into a Boostly tune-up. So this is a lots of different series. It's like a Boostly multiverse, and I'm helping lots of different hosts tune up their business so they can get more bookings. Now, the gent that I am helping today is Kevin from Patriot VR. Kevin has got a Boostly website. It's live, and he is very honest to say that he has done nothing proactively in terms of getting people to the site. From the Google Analytics, he's seen that he's at about 100, but it should be so much more. So what we're going to do today, and this is like a little segment of our chat. Our chat in total is about an hour. I'm taking little segments so I can present it to you, to show him what he needs to do, but it will help you as well. We delve into tools, tactics, and if you want to find out more about Boostly TuneUp, just email mark@boostly.co.uk, put in the subject heading Boostly TuneUp. And if you are part of Team Boostly, so if you've got a Boostly website, content creator, academy, all the things that we talk about today, you can get access to. So go and check it out. Log into your dashboard and take advantage and use it. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this is the first time that you've done so, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, download, tell a host, share with a friend, all of the good stuff. But now let's jump into our chat and you can find out more about how I'm helping Kevin at Patriot VR get more direct bookings via getting more traffic to his website. Speak soon. With the actual website itself, have you put together any blog posts or anything like that to just sort of add fresh content to the website?
No, but that's also kind of, we have a roadmap to, like, we have the blog sections, I have the people, it's just a matter of pulling the trigger and getting them the right blogs, but I definitely need to get on that.
That's cool. Out of all the priorities that we're going through, that's one of the lower end, because that is a very much a long-term play.
Yeah, and I can just outsource that though and get that going kind of behind the scenes to start building it. 100%.
So a good and effective tactic that we used for blog writing is something that you can 100% do, because it really helps on a couple of levels. Number one, fresh content. So Google loves fresh content. Number two, you're able to build relationships with it, and I'll explain about that in a second. And number three, you'll be able to drive other people's audiences traffic to your site. So the way that it works is you will hire a content writer. You can do it on Fiverr or Upworker, pay anywhere between $20 to $100 per blog. The more you pay, the better the content and the quality will be. What you do is you ask for them to create a blog around 500 words, and what you are going to get them to do is you're going to give them a theme. So the theme would be top 10 places to visit for your family around Big Bear Lakes, as an example, or insert town location or where your properties are. So you think of who your customer avatar is, your guest profile is, who you're looking to attract and speak to, and you put a number to it. It could be anywhere between 5, 7, 10, 11, 12, whatever it may be. And then what you do is you say, right, so go and find me on TripAdvisor or Google or whatever it may be, 12 activities that are maybe an hour drive max around a cluster of where our properties are, where one of our property are. And what I want for you to do is go and look on their website, look on their TripAdvisor page, go look at their Facebook page, and just find me and just write up bullet points on each one. Okay, so they'll come back to you, they'll create a little blog post, 12 things to do in and around insert location for your family. And what you're going to ask them to do is for each one to have like a clickable link to either their social media page or their website. Go and grab a picture from one of their social media pages, etc. And then you'll have this real cool blog put together, 500 words. And then what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll get that live on your site. And then once it's live, you'll either ask Katie or the content writer, you can give them a bit of extra money to do this, to reach out and write to every one of those businesses that you featured on your blog, and you can send them a message on LinkedIn, Instagram, email, and just say, hey, we featured you on our site. We've got thousands of guests that come and visit us every year. We have heard about you. Our guests have mentioned you, so we want to find out more, and we put you together on this little blog post that we did. Here's the link, enjoy. And what happens on that is that, say you message out 12 people, you'll probably get 6 people come back to you. Hey Kev, fantastic. I didn't know you were a business, never heard of you. Fantastic, thanks for this. I'll keep note of your business just in case any of our customers are asking for places to stay in the area. So A, building connections, building relationships. B, what they'll do is people love to be talked about. So they'll grab that link and then they'll throw it up on their social media pages saying, Kev at Patriot VR is just fantastic. Thank you so much for his blog post. We were featured on a blog post. We love this. Thank you so much. Here's the link to it. So then it'll drive all of their audience to your blog. And while they're on their blog, it's like, well, let's go check out what this company's all about. Oh, look at these stunning properties. And then again, it's like, well, we're looking for a place to stay. And then it drives more people to your site.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.